Howdy, this video will show you how to search for your submitted work orders in AggieWorks. Begin by logging into AggieWorks using your Texas A&M Net ID. At the top of the web page, click on the word Process. Next, click on All Requests on the left section of the website to see all your requests that have been submitted into the system. Now enter your 6-digit AggieWorks request number on the top right section of the page in the text box called Processes. The request number can be found in your AggieWorks confirmation email. As you type in the AggieWorks request number, the left half of the website will begin to automatically filter and display the request. When you click on the request, the corresponding details appear on the right. The Details section contains all information entered by the requester, along with any pictures or documents attached to the request. Moving from the Attachments tab into the Approvals tab, you can also see the approvals history where you can determine the progress of request through the AggieWorks system. If you see no approvals, this means that your request has already been approved. The next Comments tab is a communication feature where you can directly interact with our facilities coordinators. You can also include other users into the conversation by referencing the icon followed by their name. On the last tab, called AIM, you will see the progress of your work order, which contains information about when a work order has been opened, assigned, and completed.